Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial to show how to use the JCD Account Executives team site on SharePoint. In the next few minutes, I'll be running through how to access the SharePoint site, how to upload files and documents, and how to edit the dashboard. To access the SharePoint site, the first thing to do is to type into your browser elderadvisory.sharepoint.com, and then you'd have this login screen pop up. Then you can sign in. Alternatively, if you received the email inviting you to JCD Account Executive SharePoint site, then you can click the link in the email to access the site. What comes up for me first is JCD Intranet, but I want to see all the sites that I have on SharePoint, and so I click on SharePoint at the corner over here, and I see the two sites or the several sites I can access on SharePoint. So I have Web Services Units group, I have JCD Account Executives group, and a suggested site, which is JCR group. What we want to access is the JCD Account Executives group. You would also see that there are recent activities that have been going on this site, and you can see the people that have made those activities. So we'll click on the JCD Account Executives group. This is the JCD Account Executives group. We can see activities, recent activities, and other information on this site. On the left panel, we can see this is the home page. We have documents, we have notebook pages, a folder called Client Relationship Management, we have site contents, and the recycle bin. Would like to see what we have in this site, and so we'll click on the site contents to see all the contents of the site. This is what constitutes the contents of the site. We have a folder called Client Relationship Management. We have another one called Documents, Form Templates, Site Assets, Site Library, Site Pages, and we can see the number of items that we have of each of them. Now I created a folder called Client Relationship Management. If we click on the link, we'll see what is in that folder. There are two documents. One is a PowerPoint document that says 5 best sales words and phrases to use. And the second is a Word document saying 6 golden rules of business etiquette. I created this folder because we're currently and constantly going through trainings as account executives on how to relate with our clients. So if you've got any documents that fits this purpose, then you can upload to this folder. Now let's go back to the site contents. We'd create a new folder and upload a document to it. To create a new folder, there's a new icon over here with a little arrow beside. We click on it and click the document library. So a document library is also a folder. So we create a new document library. It asks for the name. Let's call it Account Executives Highlights. And the description is just highlights of meetings with prospects and clients. And create. Clearly the folder is empty. What we have to do is to upload documents to it. So we click on the upload link just above, and we want to upload the files to it. So I'll upload one of my highlights from my computer. Actually, I can upload both of them. So I'll highlight both of them and open. And there you have it. You've got 2 highlight documents uploaded to this folder. So that's how to upload files and create folders in the team site. Subsequently, any other highlights, we can just click on the folder and then upload the file. Now let's go back to the site contents. The last thing we're going to do is to edit the dashboard. I have created a page on this site which we'll find under site pages. When we click on the site pages, we'll see the different pages on the sites. The home page, of course, as usual, is always default open by SharePoint. But then the page that I created is called dashboard. And so if I click on that page, I'll be able to see the dashboard showing the prospects and initiatives. It takes a while sometimes to come up. This shows prospects and initiatives, and it also shows the projects and clients, both dashboards. To edit any of these tables, you see the green strip below each table that says dashboard. What we'll do is to click on the little icon there that says full screen. This opens up the table for the spreadsheets in Excel Online, and then we can view or edit. So I'm just going to try to edit some dummy text here. So I'll double click in a cell and click on edit workbook. So I can just put some dummy text here. Okay, and what Excel Online does is to save data automatically, so you don't need to click anything to save. So if we close this and go back to our dashboard, if we refresh, we can see that there's dummy text here and dummy drivers. Of course, I'd have to remove that so nobody gets misguided. So do the same activity, click on the little full screen icon, double click in a cell, edit workbook. And then remove dummy text and dummy drivers. I can close this and refresh. Still loading. So we can see that the dummy text and dummy drivers have been removed. Another thing we can do on this page is to add comments. So if we have a comment about any of the texts in these dashboards, then we can put in our comment. I understand that not everybody should be able to edit this dashboard, so we'll find a way to make the EA and projects the only editors of this dashboard. Okay, so that's about it. We've covered how to access the SharePoint site. We've covered how to create folders and upload documents to folders. And we have also covered how to edit the dashboard. I hope this helps, and I hope we can make this site useful for its purpose. Thank you.